Now we'll go for a condensation. 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 It is the process of change of a gas into liquid. Understood? The process of change of a gas into liquid on cooling. Liquid at a particular temperature on cooling. You can add on cooling. Is called condensation. Before two processes you discussed, one is melting and another is vaporization or boiling. There the temperature when heat increased, then only you are changing into other state. But here condensation is the reverse process of vaporization. Here what will happen? The changing is reverse. Here heat no need to supply, you have to remove the heat. Suppose very simple example, take a cold glass of cold water. Glass of cold water you take, what will happen? All the around you will see the water droplets. Are you seeing or not? This is a glass of cold water. This what happen? Why it happens actually? In atmosphere, water vapor is there. Okay, water vapor is there. Water molecules in the form of water vapor, it is there. When they come in contact with the cold surface of this, because the cold water is there, the surface of the glass also cold, contact with the cold contact, then they convert into water droplets and attach to the wall of the container. Clear? This process is called as a condensation. This process is called as a condensation. Now this when what solution what will happen? So what this is liquid to gas. At what temperature it occurred? Suppose water, take an example of water. Water converted into liquid at 100 degree. Water, this is gas. Suppose water vapor. So what degree it changed into liquid to gas? 100 degrees Celsius. Yes or no? Same it will bake also, it will occur at the same temperature, that is also 100 degrees Celsius only. Suppose which gate is to enter, that is the only to exit also, no doubt other gates also, but suppose that also you can get out. Yes or no? School gate, the gate you are enter and exit are both possible, so that gate only is the place. That's why 100 degrees the changing of water to liquid to gas means 100 water to water vapor means at 100 degree only the water vapor. Suppose it is 110 degree like that, slowly the temperature will keep in freezer or bring in contact of cold surface, then slowly the temperature will decrease and will come in when it will come to 100 degree, then immediately it will convert into water. Am I clear? And this temperature is called as a condensation point, or yes, condensation point. You can write the temperature, the fixed temperature, you can set the fixed temperature at which a gas changes to liquid is called condensation point. Clear? Boiling, yes, boiling point is the condensation point. Boiling point of a liquid and condensation point of a liquid will be same. Am I clear? Now come to the next topic. that is freezing. 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 The process of change of a liquid back into solid. Liquid into solid at a particular temperature on cooling. This is also on cooling only later. Example, a glass of water I'll keep in freezer. A glass of water I'll keep in freezer. Slowly what will happen? The heat is absorbed by the freezer. Slowly the temperature will decrease. When it reach to 0 degrees Celsius, this is water I kept. This is ice was there. Ice to water 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now what will happen? Water to ice, slowly the temperature will decrease and convert into at 0 degree only. So that means at what is the boiling point? Sorry, I am coming back to where at what temperature ice converted into water. At the same temperature only water also convert into ice back. This is solid and liquid states. Are you clear? So what is and that particular temperature is called freezing point. Freezing point. So the fixed temperature at which a gas, not a gas, now you write here a liquid changes to solid. To solid is called what? A freezing point. Clear? Once again I am repeating. Freezing is the process of changing of a liquid into solid at a particular temperature on cooling. Here the freezing point is the fixed temperature at which the liquid changes into solid at a called okay, so into solid. And example of freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius for water to ice. Others have different. Okay. Are you clear this concept?